Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this amazing anti-aging face mask. Let's add half of avocado. Avocado is highly antioxidant. It helps us to fight all the free radicals that make our skin age fast. We're also going to need 1 tablespoon of oat. It can be any kind. And 1 tablespoon of honey. Honey is highly humectant for the skin, and it also have anti-inflammatory properties. Now let's add a couple drops of tea tree. Tea tree oil is highly antibacterial, so if you have acne like I do, it's gonna be great for your skin to fight all those breakouts. Also, we're going to add a couple of drops of vitamin E. We know vitamin E is wonderful for the skin, making your skin look younger and more beautiful and turn out those cells. But first, before we put on our mask, let's cleanse our skin. I'm using this oil-free acne wash from Neutrogena. You're supposed to cleanse your face for a whole minute. So I did clean my face for a whole minute and a half, even though I'm showing half of it. After you have cleansed your face, rinse up with warm water. This will open your pores and it will allow for the mask to be absorbed a lot quicker. So all the benefit of the mask can get into your skin a lot quicker, and therefore you will get much better results. It smells really good. After you have applied your mask, leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes. Then wash up with warm water and then cold water so the pores can get closed. And follow up your usual skincare routine. Thank you for watching. I see you on my next video. Bye bye.